Hey, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have unboxing and review of new smartband Zeblaze Crystal 2. It looks like a clone of Xiaomi Amazfit BIP, however it is more than twice cheaper. In this video we will often compare Zeblaze Crystal 2 and Amazfit BIP. I want to note that it is not smartwatch, but it looks like this. Zeblaze Crystal 2 doesn't have operating system, SIM slot, and you cannot receive or make calls on it. This is smartband with IP67 waterproof case, big color screen, heart rate monitor, steps count, and some sports modes. So let's make unboxing and then look at design and functions. Zeblaze Crystal 2 comes in a brand box. There is image of smartband and Crystal 2 inscription on the front side. On the back, you can read some details about device, such as model, package contents, etc. Inside the box there is smartband without strap and protective film on the screen. The box to the right includes charging cable and strap. Also, you can find user manual in English, Spain, Russian, and other languages. As I already said, Zeblaze Crystal 2 looks similar to Amazfit BIP. It has a rectangular-shaped body. The frame is available in different color options – black, blue, and pink. I have a pink version. There are no physical buttons on sides, only touch button under the screen. This is IPS color display with 1.29 inches diagonal and 240 by 240 pixels resolution. It has some advantages over Amazfit BIP. For example, it is colorful and it has higher resolution, bigger diagonal and thinner bezels around the screen. From other side, this is IPS panel, so it is not very convenient to use in direct sunlight. From the other side of the screen, you can find heart rate monitor and magnetic charging connector. If we talk about the strap, it doesn't differ from Amazfit BIP. The strap is made of silicone material. The length can range from 125mm to 210mm. This is 20mm universal strap, so you can use any other strap of this size. Some words about water resistance. Zeblaze Crystal 2 has IP67 standard, and it means that you can use smartband under the water up to 1 meter and up to 30 minutes. From other side, there is no swimming mode, so there is no point in swimming with smartband. Now let's look at main functions of Zeblaze Crystal 2. The main screen provides information about time and date, battery level, steps, calories, and heart rate. By the way, you can choose from 4 themes via the companion app on smartphone. Press the touch button under the screen to move to another screen. Here is steps, calories, distance, heart rate, sleep, messages, sports mode, stopwatch, and find phone. If you want to choose one of these functions, for example sport, then you should press and hold the button for some seconds. There are many sport modes, such as walking, running, hiking, biking, basketball, etc. All of them provide information about heart rate, burned calories, and training duration. Zeblaze Crystal 2 has a companion app called WearHealth on Android and iOS devices. You can scan QR code from user manual to get link to Play Store or App Store to download the app. Then you will need to sign up and connect the smartband to the app. There is nothing complicated. The main screen of application provides information about your daily activity. Here you can see steps, sleep and heart rate monitor. The most important tab is Mine. Here you can connect or disconnect the smartband, set the steps and sleep target. In user settings menu you can set the weight, birthday, skin color, etc. The main functions are in device management. It provides following options: continuous heart rate, leave the wrist bright in screen, call reminder, SMS reminder, screensaver, alarm clock, theme settings, and time format. Zeblaze Crystal 2 shows incoming calls and messages from social media. Of course, you cannot answer the call or reply the message. The smartband doesn't have built-in GPS, but it uses GPS on your phone to track your location. The smartband has 180 mAh battery and it provides up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge. You can say that it is much less than an Amazfit BIP with 25 days of battery life. But Zeblaze Crystal 2 has color IPS display and it consumes a lot of battery. The smartband uses magnetic charger. The full battery charge takes about 4 hours. Zeblaze Crystal 2 is a very good smartband, especially for $25. Also, it doesn't have built-in GPS, and its battery life is much less than an Amazfit BIP. The gadget has big IPS color display, replaceable 20mm straps, IP67 water-resistant, heart rate monitor, sport modes, call and message alert. It is a very good set of functions for $25 smartband. Do you agree? Thanks for watching. In description you can find a link where to buy Zeblaze Crystal 2. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.